Hello everyone, good morning. Hope you all are well. So today we are going to start here English grammar and the chapter is 8 and the name of the chapter is pronouns. So children, previously we have learned about nouns very well. Today we are going to study about pronouns here. That what are the pronouns? Let's get started. First of all, just see the definition of pronouns. The words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. वो words जो noun के place पर use किए जाते हैं, these words are called pronouns, such as he, she, they, their, I, we, it, etc. These words are called pronouns. Now, students, we will learn how we can use of these pronouns in a sentence. Okay, first one is he. When we talk about a boy or a man, so there we will use he. For example, if I say Rahul is standing, Rahul is a naughty boy. So here Rahul is a noun. Rahul is a noun in the sentence, but we are talking about here pronouns. So these words are also called replacing words. Now we will replace Rahul and we will add here pronouns. So as I told you, we will use he for boy and for man also. So in place of Rahul, can't we use he? Yes, we can use he in place of noun, which is Rahul. So, he is standing, or we can say he is a naughty boy, right? Same as here, Mr. Sharma is a teacher. Mr. Sharma is 50 years old. So we can say he is a teacher and he is 50 years old. So in place of noun, we have used here he pronouns, right? Next one is she. We can use she when we talk about a girl or a woman, right? So here, like Shraddha is laughing. So we can say in place of Shraddha, we can use she because she is used for girl or woman. So she is laughing, or we can say she is standing. Here same as we can use Leela. Leela is watching, or in place of Leela, we can say she is watching. Leela is a noun, but we will use here pronoun, so we can use she in place of Leela. She is watching. Okay. Now next one is they. How we can use they? When we talk about many people or things, so there we can use they. जब हम एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में या एक से ज़्यादा things के बारे में बात करते हैं, then we can use there they, right? Such as they are standing, they are laughing because they are many people. They are more than one people. So what we have used here? We have used here they. Okay? Like suppose students are talking in the class and you will get disturbed, and what you will say to ma'am? You will say to ma'am, they are talking in the class and they are disturbing to me. You will speak like that. You will not say, ma'am, students are talking. You will say, ma'am, they are talking in the class and they are disturbing to me a lot. Okay, so these type of sentences we can use. Okay, here next is there, so we can use there in these sentences. Okay, later I'll explain it. Next one is I. So how we can use I? When we talk about ourselves, then we will use I. If I told, like when we want to speak ourselves, so what you will see? Like if I talk about myself, then I'll say I'm Shobha and I teach the English. Okay, so suppose if you want to speak about yourself, so what you will say? I'm Shreya, I'm Pranav, I study in class 2. So like this you will speak, okay, about yourself. Next one is we. So how we will use we? When we talk about others, included ourselves, जब हम किसी दूसरों के बारे में बात करते हैं बट उसमें हम भी इंक्लूडेड होते हैं, then we use we pronouns there. Okay, for example, we are happy, we are reading. So here I'm talking about you and me also. I'm also included in this sentence. We are happy. आप भी खुश हैं, मैं भी खुश हूँ. So we will use here pronoun we. We are happy. We are reading. You are also reading. I am also reading. So here we will use. Okay. Next is it. So how we will use it? When we talk about an animal, thing or place. So there we can use it, such as it is a dog, it is a pen, it is a book. Like this we can speak. Okay, so these words are called pronouns, right? Now here let's see some sentences. Read the following paragraph. Rashi is a sweet girl. She lives in Delhi. She has a brother. His name is Samir. He is a naughty boy. Their father is doctor and mother is a teacher. They all live together happily. They have a pet dog. Both kids play with it. So here Rashi is a sweet girl. She lives in Delhi. So here Rashi is a noun. But we can't repeat again and again. Rashi is a sweet girl. Rashi lives in Delhi. Rashi has a brother. So in place of Rashi, what is used? She pronoun is used because Rashi is a girl, or we can say Rashi is female. So here for female, what we will use? She. Okay, so she is used. She lives in Delhi. She has a brother. So here his name is Samir. So here his is used for Samir because Samir is male. Samir is a boy. So here his is used for Samir. He is a naughty boy. So he is used for male. He is used for Samir here. Their father is a doctor. So here that is used for Rashi and Samir's father. Samir and Rashi के father के लिए क्या use हुआ है? There. The father is a doctor. So their pronoun is used for Rashi and Samir's father. Okay. And mother is a teacher. They all live together happily. So I told you when we will use of they. They is used for more than one person. So they all live together happily. They have a pet dog. Both kids play with it. So it is used for dog here. Okay. I told you it is used for things, for animal, and for places. Okay, so it is used for dog here. Here she is used in place of Rashi. I told you she is used in place of Rashi. His and he are used in place of Samir. There is used in place of Rashi and Samir together because they are together, Rashi and Samir. So here there is used in place of Rashi and Samir. It is used in place of pet dog. Here it is used for pet dog. So this is all about pronouns. Hope you understood. Thank you.